because there's a mistake that we make today. Whenever there are protests, when we are fighting for one goal, between Omiyama and we want to focus on the t-shirts we are wearing. There is a mistake, that is what Abelu, the management, they totally said because they know these t-shirts are able to divide us, even before they divide us.
True.
So we must always be united beyond our political affiliations. Whether I'm wearing a red t-shirt or I'm wearing a green t-shirt or a yellow t-shirt, we must always come down when it comes to the matters of our students. Because mind you, it's not about our political formations, and it's not only about us in Espira and Amsal. When we are saying we want free education, it's not only for us, education. We are doing it for the future of our kids. We are doing it for the future of our sisters and brothers who are coming. So we must never ever think that the struggle is only centered around us who are students today. What we are doing is for the future of our country. So I'm going to tell you something, comrades. When we are dealing with matters of Nadawa, we must have Panama students who have been identified. Like Level 7, I was telling them, they must not form part of any strike, and they might not incite Amayama students to be part of the strike. I told them one thing inside the course. We strike, you have sold out a strike. Yes. We must always remember why we came to this institution. We want to change the situation in Makaya, but we are not going to be able to do that to a criminal record. We are not going to be able to do that to tell good things. What institution has done in 7 summer police against us? We must protect those 7 guys who have been identified. Because unfortunately, it is some of us who are students who went to the management and gave us their name.